I had another great day on plan. My scale dropped again, and I even did meal prep. Hi, everybody. It is Monday, August 22nd. We are winding down this month fast, aren't we? Well, let's start off with my daily weigh-in. If you've followed me for any length of time, you know I weigh myself every single day. And according to the Weight Watchers email that I got just a couple days ago, that's not a bad thing anymore. It used to be, weigh yourself once a week and only. But now they're saying, you can weigh yourself more often. So I guess I'm doing the right thing for me. So yesterday I was at 210.7. Today it dropped down to 210.4. So, I mean, just a small drop, but those small drops add up over time. So, as of today, I'm 10.5 pounds from Wonderland. So, it's getting there. I'm in the next decade of numbers. I'm so happy. I watched Sandy's video today, saw that she was also the next decade of numbers. So, we're both back at it. She's counting calories, and that is working for her, and I'm so proud of her. I also count calories. I do it along with the Weight Watchers app. I have a spreadsheet that I keep that I track my calories and my carbs and my protein and stuff like that. Uh, I do it mostly because at the end of the day, when I sync my Fitbit, I want to have a 500 calorie deficit at the end of every day. I'm not there today. I think I'm going to be a couple hundred calories shy of that. I'm still in a deficit, just not a 500 calorie deficit. So I'm going to show you what I had to eat today. You're not going to see lunch because I didn't really eat lunch. I had a snack which took up the bulk of my points today. But I did go down to the Mammoth dig site today, and I have tons of pictures. I'm not going to show them in this video because I have a ton of them and they're not uploaded yet. So let me go ahead and show you my breakfast and my dinner today. Well, my breakfast this morning is, kind of similar to what I had yesterday. I've got 2 eggs that I scrambled. They don't look scrambled now, but they are. That's 0 points on my plan. I only have one slice of toast this morning because I just wasn't feeling it, the whole thing. And I just had spray butter on it. That's the Sara Lee 45 calorie bread. So that is 2 points for that. I have 1 point in my coffee. The bread's 1 point because I only have one slice. 1 point in my coffee, total of 50 milliliters, fat-free half and half. I've got a banana and some berries that I sprinkled with cinnamon. That's all 0 points. So my breakfast total this morning is 2 points. Well, once again, I have a 0 point dinner. I have 4 chicken tenderloins that weighed out at 144 grams, 0 points on my plan. Everything else is just vegetables, cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions sprinkled with some lemon juice. And I topped that chicken with a little bit of Frank's hot sauce. So this is all 0 points for me. So on my way back from the Mammoth Site, I did stop in Custer at a place called the Purple Pie Place. I've been there before. I had a sandwich there before. I just wanted a little ice cream cone. Well, one little ice cream cone turned into uh, a scoop of ice cream and a small piece of pie, for which I tracked 22 points for the entire thing. So just to be clear, I get 22 points a day on my personal points plan. So the way my day worked out was I had 2 points for breakfast. I had a 0 point dinner, and I had those 22 points that I counted for that piece of pie and the scoop of ice cream. Took my total points to 24. So I used a couple of weeklies. And Weight Watchers app is telling me I still have 3 points left because I got a lot of points back today for all the vegetables and water that I had. So I'm just looking at it as I used 24 points. I have 30 weekly remaining. I forget how many weeklies I get every week, but it's okay. I'm still within the healthy eating range, and I'm still in a calorie deficit. So that one little scoop of ice cream and that piece of pie isn't going to hurt me. So I say that now, but if I step on the scale tomorrow and I have a gain, I'm going to be upset. So after dinner tonight, I did some meal prep. So for breakfast tomorrow, I made these baked oatmeal muffins with it. Just I can upload the recipe if you want me to. I did find it online and I kind of modified it a little bit. So on the mornings that I go in at 6:45, I pretty well bomb those days because I haven't been prepared with a breakfast. I haven't been getting up in time to do much, but this is what I did for tomorrow. So I'm going to have one of those baked oatmeal muffins, and I got to tell you, they smell phenomenal. I still have a couple more in the oven that are will be done here shortly. And I tried to upload a video to show them to you, uh, and the video hasn't come through yet. I don't think. Oh, it has. I'll be right back. So I did some meal prep tonight. Made some baked banana oatmeal muffins because I don't normally have time to make breakfast when I go into work early. So got that all prepared for tomorrow morning. I'm going to have a couple hard-boiled eggs with that. And I'm going to take my fat-free half and half with me in my coffee mug. So I'm all set for that. I also had some chicken I needed to cook up, so I got some chicken tenderloins that I cooked up tonight. I'm going to go in the refrigerator, and I'll be using that throughout the week for different types of meals. So I think I'm getting there. I'm all prepared. These muffins point out at 2 points per muffin, and I think it's 2 for 5. So depending on how hungry I am tomorrow, I might have 2 of them. I still have like 1.5 of them cooking in the oven because I only had a muffin tin that had 6 holders. So anyway, that's it for my meal prep right now. We have it tomorrow. So that is my breakfast. I'm having one of those for 2 points, my hard-boiled eggs. Got a half a grapefruit ready to go. Taking a sandwich for lunch tomorrow. I have my entire day tomorrow tracked already. So, and I think I'm coming up, is it 12 points that I'm coming up with? But plenty of calories. Let's see what I have for tomorrow yet. 14 points. So, total of 14 points tomorrow. But like I said, it'll be plenty of calories. My day's going to start early because, like I said, I have to be at work at 6:45. I usually get there around 6:30. There's only 2 of us working the morning shift, and it's just us until 2:30. So it'll be a busy morning. It'll go by fast. But I wanted to be prepared with breakfast because it seems like those early mornings are the ones that where I have, if I don't have breakfast prepared, then by the time I go to lunch, I'm famished. And that's when I start snacking on stuff that I shouldn't be snacking on. So I think that's a positive step in the right direction. And yeah, I'll be prepared tomorrow finally. And the next day too. So I mean, I have 7 of those muffins. Like I said, they're 2 points each. So I can have those a couple days this week. They're cooling now. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator along with that chicken. That's my dinner tomorrow night. Not all of that chicken, but I had a package of chicken that I had to freeze before I got the chance to break it up into smaller portions. Because normally when I get chicken home like that, I'll break it up and freeze it in smaller portions. So I had to cook up the entire thing, that's okay. I'm going to be using it in other dishes throughout the week. So I have enough chicken. I also have some turkey burgers that I have prepared that I could do for dinner or for lunch, you know. So the meal prepping to me is, along with my tracking, those are the two biggest things that I need to do in order to be successful. That's what I was doing when I was losing all that weight. I gotta tell you, I'm doing pretty good now. And the difference between now and when I first got out here is that I'm down here by myself. I'm not sharing the kitchen with anybody. So even though when I moved down here, it was a better situation than the dorm was, there were still two other people on the other side, and they seemed to be in the kitchen whenever I wanted to be. And so I made poorer choices then. I was eating out more. And plus, I'm pinching my pennies too. So uh, I have a food budget that I have been sticking to, and that has helped me too. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my food today. I thought I did, other than I did have that pie and ice cream, but it still fit into my points today. So I was feeling kind of upset with myself for doing that, and then I came and put it in the track in the app, and I thought, well, it's not so bad after all. So, uh, it's okay to treat yourself every now and again. So, okay, well, that's going to be it for me today. Oh, I wanted to tell you about the Mammoth Site. So, this dig that I went to today, it is an active dig. They have uncovered, this is back in the 70s, they had uncovered some bones, and it's like from the Columbia mammoth is what it is. Tons of them have fallen into the sinkhole, and they couldn't get out because the sinkhole is filled with water. And that's how they came to be there. The sinkhole had, over time evaporated and everything, and they've uncovered all of these bones down there of all these mammoths, and so they're reconstructing all the mammoths. They're huge. I mean, huge. So it was very interesting. They showed a short movie about the site and what they're uncovering, and there are actually people in there. It's an active dig. There were actually people in there working on the dig when I was in there. So pretty cool. And probably tomorrow I'll be uploading those pictures, but there's a lot of them, so they're not uploaded yet. But it's one of the cool things I've done down here. So I'm gonna miss when I leave here. Those are the things that I'm kind of gonna miss. That just be able to do all those historical visits and stuff like that. There's more here I want to do before I leave. I'm waiting for the weather to cool off before I do a couple more hikes. Hopefully in September I'll get those knocked out. And I have a list of things that I want to do that I haven't gotten around to yet. So there's an 1880s train out here that I want to take a ride on. Uh, that's like on my low priority list though. So there is a place up here called Fort Hayes that I want to go see. That's where they filmed the movie Dances with Wolves. And so they still have a lot of the movie sets up there. So I do want to go see that too. So now if Kevin Costner would be there, I'd be okay with that too. He won't be. So. All right. Just want to show you my great food on plan today, and I'll be hopefully recording tomorrow and showing you what I'm eating. If you're new to my channel, thank you. Please subscribe. Click that link and follow me along on my weight loss journey to lose almost 150 pounds. So, I'm like 4 pounds, less than 4 pounds, I think, away from my halfway mark. So, be watching for that. Hopefully, yeah, I don't think I'll get there this week, but next week I'll hit my halfway mark. So that's one of my small goals. And I think next week we'll do it. And then it's on the downside from then, right? Okay, I'm rambling now. I will talk to you guys later. You guys.